Hey everyone, I hope you can hear me okay. If you can, just give me a comment, say yes below this video. I am now streaming live to India Forex traders, to Africa Forex traders, and to Bahrain Forex traders. So we're all over the world, and I'm broadcasting from Thailand, from Bangkok. I'm sitting here in Starbucks, and what you see behind me, that is not a virtual background. Okay, that's a real background. It's a beautiful Starbucks here we have in Bangkok, brand new, just opened last week and very near my house. So I come here and it's very relaxing. Not many people here in the evening, and it's just gone about 7:20 p.m. here in Thailand, and the news is coming out at 7:30, and that's in about 10 minutes. Let me just jump over to the news page, and I believe you can see that now. That's the news page. You should be able to see that. Um, Let me share my other screen. There we go. Yeah. Now you can see the news is coming up. Let me just get rid of that QR code and get rid of my face. All right, you can see all the news is coming up there. And if I just highlight it a little bit, and we'll see, this is the news that's coming out in about 10 minutes, 9 minutes now, 8 minutes. Okay, we got some real important news, high impact news, the core retail sales on the U.S. economy, and then some other things on the U.S. economy, medium impact, and then the retail sales month on month for July. And then there's also 3 items coming out on the Canadian dollar at the same time, but we're mostly concerned with the U.S. ones because, let me go back to my chart here. Most people are trading gold, and that's what we're looking at here on this chart. Let me go back to this chart now, and I'll stay on this chart. Yeah, there you have the chart now, and I'm back. By the way, that's my website. You see there, rickrayfx.com/profile, and you can feel free to go there and find out more information about trading Forex. I'm just taking a sip of my nice cappuccino here in Starbucks, and that is my QR code for my Line official group. So if you want to join my Line official group, it's absolutely free, no charge. And I post my weekly analysis video in there every Sunday before the market opens on Monday, and give you pending orders for gold and all the major currency pairs. And usually during the week, I will post a signal or two also, or post about the news. So it's a good place to be. There's several hundred people in the Line official group now. So if you want to join that, just click the QR code and you'll be in that Line official group. Okay, again, here I am at Starbucks. That's my full profile, but we don't want to see that. We want to see the share screen. Okay, we're looking at the chart now. This is gold, and it has hit down to 1901 today. And earlier in the week, on when I did my weekly analysis, I said that gold was the bears are trying to go to 1900, and today they already got to 1900.80. So they have hit 1900. Now, if they're going to keep going below that, we don't know yet. Let's see if the news is good or bad in about 5 minutes, and then we will see if that's going to have an impact on the movement of gold or not. That's in about 6 minutes from now. If the bulls want to get control, they're going to have to jump in and start fighting. The bears have control of gold, been pushing it down for about 5 or 6 trading days. And if the bulls want to get to control, they need to close above 1922. That's not that far away. That can happen in one day. That can happen in a couple of hours, actually. Gold moves that much. Gold can move 200, 300 pips in a day. That's nothing unusual. So, it's just a battle going on between the bulls and the bears to see who's going to get control. Right now, the bears have control, and we're at 1900 right now, 1902. 1902. I believe we just went down and touched 1900, 1902 right now. And it's getting a little bit volatile because the news is coming out in just a couple of minutes, another 5 minutes or so. So I don't know if you can hear that music in the background. I hope that's not disturbing anybody too much. That is the intercom, the music playing at Starbucks in the background. But I'm holding my mic up here. I hope you can hear me okay. Yeah, if you got any comments or questions or inquiries, or you want me to look at some other currency, feel free to just chat, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to like and love and share this on Facebook. In the Africa Forex Traders group, we have about 6,000 followers. And in the India, we have quite a few also. In the Bahrain group, not so many, but there are a few. And yeah, so be sure and share this live streaming video with your friends. So I will just scan, because we have about another 4 minutes, I will scan through. There's the Euro US. We're looking at the H4 chart, H4. And my pending order for the beginning of this week was a sell limit on the Euro US, but that has not opened yet. That order has not executed yet because it didn't quite get up to the pending order. And then the pound New Zealand, I don't have a trade on that. That one has just gone ballistic today with bad news on the pound, and the pound went up. I don't know why. Sometimes the market is that way. What can you do? You know, it's crazy sometimes. The odd US, I had a pending order on that, a sell limit, and that one did execute. Okay, so this one is now good into profit. That one opened today is Tuesday. That one just opened earlier today. The sell limit was 6520, and the price got to 6521. Just by 1 pip. 1 pip, this order opened. And so we are now in profit on the odd US. This is from my video on Sunday. And let's see how many pips we've made on that one. And already 60 pips. 60 pips on that odd US already today. So the New Zealand US, I don't believe that one has executed yet. No, hasn't got up to the pending order, which I have there, the blue line. One has executed either. The chart's not changing. There we go. Oh, it almost got close. Wow. 12735, and we got up to 2729. 6 pips away from the opening of that pending order. The USD CAD did not open, but the Euro CAD has opened. Okay, the Euro CAD is a good trade today from the pending order. Just let the chart change there. The internet is not so good here at Starbucks, but you do the best with what you can, you know. So what I told everybody was on Monday right here to buy the Euro CAD. Now it went down the wrong direction yesterday, but it started to come back up. So we're now in a profit situation with a few pips. It's coming back down, but you can move your stop loss above the break even and protect your trade. So we've got another 1.5 minutes, before the news comes out. Let me go back to gold. And this is the one we want to watch is gold. Okay, we want to watch gold and see what gold's going to do paired with the US dollar. And then when the news comes out, we'll see if there's any effect on the movement of our gold trade. And I'm going to jump back over here. You can see the screen there. Yeah, you got that on your live stream. And I'm going to go back over here and watch the news. And what I do is I showed you that screenshot from investing.com. And I like investing.com. You can also look at forexfactory.com. But forexfactory.com is a little bit delayed, 2 or 3 minutes delay when the news comes out. You don't see it immediately. So that's why I go to investing.com, to the economic calendar on investing.com. And as soon as the time is at 7:30, exactly 7:30, right when the news is supposed to come out, you'll see the new data on the website investing.com. There's no delay. It's instantaneously. You'll see it immediately. So how much time have we got here? It's now 7:29, so should be just a few seconds, and I'll take a screenshot of the news. We got 20 seconds till the news comes out, and you watch the chart, and I'm going to watch the news, okay, because I take a screenshot of the news, and then I send it to all of my people on my Telegram channel and my Line official group. I send them a copy of the screenshot from the news as the news comes out. So we're looking for, oh, it's red, oh, it's green, but the core retail sales hasn't come out yet, and it's good. So gold is going to go down, and it's really good. Wow, it's really good. Gold is going to crash already at 1890 something. Yeah, 1896. Wow, that was quick. So we'll just put this over here in my group. Let everybody know. And then I'm going to go to my Line official group and also post that. Let me just go to the chart and see right quick. Yeah, 1899. Is that how far it got? Yeah, the low is now 1898. Probably going to see that drop down to about 1895, maybe 1890, because the news is really good for the U.S. And I'm just going to go and post that on my Line group. If you just bear with me as you watch gold crash, and everything is going to be bearish against the U.S. dollar now. Everything will be bearish against the U.S. dollar. Photo, photo, desktop, screenshot. There we go. Okay, so that's done. And back over to the chart. Well, we're 1898, and just check my phone, see if I've got any messages. Anybody panicking because gold is going down? And let's go over here and look at the. Let me change my. I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to share MT4. And I'm going to share another screen here. Let me just get that one right. Oh, I cannot do that. Okay, we'll go back to the where we were. Okay. Yeah, got the screen back up there. Good. I was going to look at my MT4 because it's easier to change between the. Oh, the CAD is going up. There must have been good news on the CAD. Let me just go have a look at that. I didn't even look at the CAD. I just didn't even look at the news on the CAD, and the news on the CAD was good. Also very, very good. So the Canadian dollar is going up as well, and it's going up quite dramatically there. The Euro CAD is probably sinking like a brick, yes, and the pound New Zealand has come down a little bit. Euro US is crashing, okay, and the gold is now at 1898, and the low so far for gold was 1896.30. 1896. But I think with that good news that we had, guys, if you want to sell gold, we might get down to 1892. 1892 might be the low for today, but it looks to be stopping there at around 1898 right now. Although it did get a little bit lower than that, it got to, what was I saying? 1896 was the low so far, but now it's coming back up a little bit. You know, this is a very strong support level, that 1900. 1900 is a very, very strong support level. And it's also a strong psychological level. And just go over to my chart there. I'll change this to the 15-minute chart right quick. And we'll see what that looks like on the 15-minute chart, if it will. As I said, the internet's not too good here. There's the 15-minute chart, okay, on gold. All right, so we saw that big move down to 1896. Actually, on here, yeah, 1895.88. Not quite to 1895, but now it's bouncing back up. 1901. You know, I put 1900 on here on the chart. 1900. I'll get rid of that, and I want to put 1900 on the chart here as a line of support. So right there is a very strong psychological support level, 1900. Nobody really wants to crash below 1900. You know, gold is supposed to start to be bullish this month, and it should go up to around 2000 before the end of the month. So you see how, you know, just the knee-jerk reaction from the news, it did crash below 1900, but now it's moved up above that very quickly and already trading back at 1902. So I don't see anybody commenting here on my site, and that's okay. If you don't have any comments, that's fine too. But I want just to remind you that that's my website there, rickrayfx.com/profile, where you can go to find out more about trading Forex. And that's my QR code for my line official group. All right. And if you're interested to get signals or my weekly analysis video, and the line official group is absolutely free to join. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I'm going to get out of here. I know you also have your trades going on that you want to watch and take care of, and that's fine. Just remember rickrayfx. Okay, that's my logo, and here I am at Starbucks in Thailand, and that is a real background behind me. It's not a virtual background. Okay, I can show you. I am definitely in Starbucks, and that is a real background. Okay, it's not a virtual background. So, you know, it's a beautiful background. And I know some people thinking, oh, that's a virtual background. No, that's a real background. And okay, so thanks for being here. Any comments or questions, just leave them below the video and I will get back to you. Of course, you can message me here or you can send me a Telegram message. My Telegram ID is at rickrayfx. Okay, everybody have a great day of trading, and I'll see you again in the next video. Rick Ray signing out.